Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I just wanted to come on and personally thank you so much. We are up on 1,500 subscribers. Yay! 1,500 subscribers and climbing. And I want to thank you, YouTube, for that. You all have done it. It wasn't me, it was you. I was just going for the ride, doing the best I can, and you guys brought me over the bridge. And I want to really, really, really praise you for that. Thank you for sharing your videos. Thank you for having friends and family subscribe. Thank you for letting everybody know what we're doing over here. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So listen, I want to do want your comments to come in to let me know any questions you have from me, anything you want to know, anything you want to know how to cook, anything you want to me to describe, any maybe questions you have of your own that you need answers to. And it doesn't have to be just about cooking, okay? I'm opening myself up to answer any questions that I have the correct answer to, okay? And I am, in return, I'm gonna make sure I comment back to you. Okay, so we're going to open up that dialogue. That's just for you for being so supportive. I really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And remember, Grandma Ray loves you, and I look forward to serving you even more. Thanks so much for all that you do for me and my family. Thank you. Bye-bye.